ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB and CD, when produced, meet in E, and EA is equal to ED. Let us first draw the figure. So this is cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, and D. AB and CD, when produced, meet in E. So let us produce AB and CD. We have to extend these two lines so that these two lines meet at point E. So this is point E. अब दूसरा condition ये बोल रहा है कि EA is equal to ED. So given is A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. ठीक है. अब cyclic quadrilateral है तो इसकी condition क्या होती है कि opposite angles are supplementary. So let these angles be angle 1, 2, 3, 4. तो cyclic quadrilateral की condition से angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees और angle 2 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degree. एक और condition हमको क्या दे रखी है EA is equal to ED. So EA is equal to ED. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Okay. अब ये तीन conditions हैं 1, 2 और 3. ये तीन conditions के help से हम ये prove करेंगे कि AD is parallel to BC and EB is equal to EC. From equation 1 and equation 3, in place of angle 1, I can write angle 4. So angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. अब ये दोनों angles co-interior angles हैं. If the sum of the co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees, or we say that they are supplementary angles, then the two lines are parallel. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. These two angles are co-interior angles. Now we have to prove that EB is equal to EC. Let this angle be 5. Let this angle be 6. Now since AB is parallel to BC, we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 5. They are corresponding angles. Right? Also angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Again they are corresponding angles. ठीक है. अब let this equation be 4, this be 5. Equation 3, equation 4 और equation 5 को अगर हम compare करते हैं तो angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Means if these two angles are equal, right, then these two angles will also be equal, right? So comparing equation 3, 4 and 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Now in triangle BEC, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Therefore, sides EB is equal to EC as sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Hence, proved.